people. I am coming back to y'all on my beautiful little baby over here. And I don't know if this is going to become a video or what, because I haven't planned anything like to talk about or anything like that. Like I usually don't. I just usually hop on and just start yammering about something. But as for what I'm up to, I am... oh, excuse me. I am essentially going to pick up from that group ride video, the learner that I shadowed home. Yeah, I'm going to pick him up. We're going to go for a bit of a squirt around. And yeah, see what is good. Because, you know, I haven't actually taken the bike out in a couple of days. I think literally last weekend before last, actually, because this is Monday. And I was working Friday, Saturday, so yeah, decided to hop on the old girl and come out to a little bit of the country riding, essentially. And yeah, let's see what becomes of it, essentially. Because yeah, like I said, no plans. It's just on the fly, essentially, what I'm doing. And the sun is setting. It's getting a little low, and I have swapped out my visors so I can do some night riding and not have to worry about being able to see shit. Got my jumper on so that I can chill in to, you know, get that when the temperature gets quite a bit lower, I can still manage it without it messing with my pre-existing old age. Not old age, but yeah, my injuries and shit. So yeah, so we're about, I don't know how many, we're about 5 minutos away from where we need to be. So yeah, and I do have to say, now that I've had this quad lock mount on the handlebar and onto my phone, I have to say, I also have the stabilizing vibration dampening mount underneath there, so it kind of like absorbs. You can see it jiggling around. That's the actual stabilizing mount, or the shock absorption mount, you know, absorbing it. And you know, it's still shaking the phone, don't get me wrong. It's a Ducati. It is what Ducatis do, they vibrate a lot. So yeah, it's hard to gauge, because from what I've been observing of it, the engine vibration it's doing its job. It's essentially absorbing all the vibration from that, and it's absorbing it really, really well. But the thing that it doesn't really do too great is essentially something that I can't really control, is the quality of the road. So if I don't spot a bump or whatnot, then you'll like genuinely see it jiggle and wobble and all that kind of stuff. So it is kind of just like, it's doing its job, but at the moment it's not vibrating that much that it concerns me for the internal components of the phone. In saying that, also, I know that the Note 20 Ultra that I have has been known for having a very sensitive, it's not a lens, one of the lens, well, I think it is a lens or a reflector or something to do with the camera. I don't know if it's the ultra wide or what, but one of the cameras, it's very sensitive to vibration, and it has been noted and in the forums and whatnot that if you have any of Samsung or even any new smartphone that's very, like, has a really good camera on it, it's likely to be very sensitive to vibration and, you know, jarring and all that kind of stuff. So it's always cautioned by quad lock to pay attention to that stuff, because yeah, that's something you can't really control too much. You can only absorb so much vibration on the road, but you know, the road being the road, you can't do a hell of a lot. But yeah, so far I've been happy. So far I have been enjoying the ability to strap my phone to essentially my handlebars, because it frees up one of my pockets on my jacket. And I'm right on time, baby. A minute before. See, lads, I'm punctual. And we have arrived. Hello. How's it going? Whew.
Fucking stung by a bee yesterday.
Where'd you get stung?
Down there, into there.
Or was it crawling around?
It went down, I felt it like crawl down my shirt, and then it stung me on my stomach.
Oh. Alrighty then, we're off, ladies and gentlemen. The bikes are full of gasoline, and yeah, essentially this is going to be a chill ride. Like I said, there's not much going on. At least I don't think we're going to get up too much. It'll just be a cruise and recording for my own safety. If anything, it will probably be, I don't know, this video might end up just being one of those blog videos that I just post for the shits and gigs and don't really get a lot of views on it, but I just do it for the algorithm's sake, essentially. So yeah, I don't know, I'll see how it goes. It'll be essentially mainly like during the day, yapping essentially, and for the most part. But yes sirree. And for those who are returning viewers, you know what this is gonna be, because your boy has noticed something about other YouTubers and he's gonna be trying that out right now. Come on, sweetheart, you can do it. That's a good peep later. Yeah, so what I was talking about is if you'll find yourselves on my channel more frequently, and you find that YouTube gods are essentially recommending my videos and putting it on your feed, and I make interesting enough content that you people like, please do me a solidarity and like and sub. Hello there, kind sir. Hello there, kind sir. Anyway, I was just like, my mind was just like, hello there, from Star Wars with General Grievous and Obi-Wan. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, if you find yourself on these videos more and more frequently, do me a solidarity and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and enjoy the rest of the video. It hits you right in the kisser.
I'm sort of glad we didn't go off the reed on ramp.
Mm.
Ramp, we would have been blinded again.
Yeah. No, so I keep getting confused because this thing said, like, the GPS always says there's 4 lanes active when there's only 3. And it confused the shit out of me because it wanted me to go onto, well, the way we were supposed to go essentially, but we didn't end up going that way. Yes, nice little sunset.
Not a bad, eh?
Some nice little cakes.
Good bit of talent on the coast.
Exactly, my dude. Hence why I always come down this way. Everyone's like, oh, why do you always do the beach run? And I'm like, if you know, you know. You don't know, I ain't explaining why I do it. Whew. Alright, beautiful people, I am going to sign off because essentially there's not much that's going to be happening. It'll just be us riding home, essentially. So, yeah, it has been good. I am definitely going to be shivering, that's almost guaranteed. Alright, yeah, he hasn't done up his helmet. Yeah, it happens a lot. Sometimes I even forget to do mine.
I'm just so used to just going whoop.
Yeah. Alright, now we're back on. Helmets are all tucked in, riding as rain. So yeah, we're just gonna head home. There's not much that's gonna probably happen. It's just no more night riding essentially, so yeah. This is definitely gonna be one of those vlog videos essentially, so definitely gonna be one of those vlog videos. But anywhoozles, I appreciate you lovely people tuning in to watch another one of my beautiful videos. And for those who already subscribed and like literally smashing that like button for me, you're the real MVPs. And I hope to catch y'all in the next video. And for those who are finding my videos through the YouTube algorithm and finding themselves more and more on my channel, please do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. But I am going to call it here, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed this little bit of a more of a relaxed kind of format of video where it was just a little bit of talking and just riding. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being awesome people. Peace, ride safe, and remember, deuces.